lie, this car is extremely fast. Holy shit. We don't lamb chop! Guys, we're in the Huracan Tecnica. This car is absolutely insane. Like, look at my door handles, bro. I got these red little strips. Like this is crazy, bro. I got carbon fiber bucket seats. I got a V10 in the back. So I just ordered a valve controller, because on this car, if you guys don't know, the valves don't open up until 4,000 RPMs, which sucks because you can't hear the V10. But that should fix it, so I can hear that screaming V10 the whole time, because I definitely want to hear it. Like, that's the whole point of this car, is for the engine, pretty much. But when you're in Strata mode like I am now, it is very quiet. So you can have a conversation, you know, there's no drone, like it's peaceful in here. It doesn't feel like there's a V10 behind you, you know, you don't hear the engine, you know, it's quiet. But as soon as you put it in sport mode or Corsa and you're above 4,000 RPM, then this thing turns into a beast. Like it's a whole, like, this car is a monster. Like, it's actually crazy. Like, this car sounds so good, it drives good, feels good. You just feel like a boss in this. Like, you know, you're in a Lamb, bro. Like, I'm only 25, so like this is crazy. This is my dream car. Like, I got my dream car. You know, you feel like a boss when you're driving this. But yeah, like, I love this car. I'm glad I got it. You know, it was finally that time. I always say, if you can't buy it 10 times, you can't afford it. Finally did it. Finally got my Lambo, man. And you know, I'm happy, bro. Like, this car is honestly one of the best supercars you can buy. I did trade in my Corvette. I didn't see the need in having, you know, two really fast cars. I wouldn't know which one to drive. So I traded it in, and I got this. And I think this is worth it. I mean, I always said this is the only car I would ever trade in the Z06 for. The Z06 is a really good car, and honestly, I would buy it again. Like, that car is great. For the price, like around like 150, you know, you fully spec it out. That car is amazing for the price, and like it even competes with this car. Like, it's probably faster than this car, you know. But like I said, only car I would trade it in was for the Huracan, you know, the Huracan Tecnica. I had to get the Tecnica. It's the last V10 that they're coming out with till the Temerario, the V8 hybrid. Like, we downshift. It sounds so good when you downshift. Yeah, bro, this car is fucking crazy. Oh, the homeless upgrade. Oh, never mind. It's not homeless people, bro. Usually the homeless people there are selling flowers. I guess it's for Easter. My bad, bro. Manual mode. crackles, bro. Oh, man. It sounds too good. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I wanted to make it really short, you know, give you guys an intro to kind of like me and what I do and my car channel. And I guess I'll post other stuff on here too. If you guys want to make money with me, click the link in the description and I'll show you guys what I kind of do to make money. I'll show you guys how to make viral videos, how to edit, stuff like that. But yeah, if you guys want to learn all that, click the link in the description. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.